What's especially exciting right now is the broader market trend. Capital is flowing back into commercial real estate. After years of uncertainty following the pandemic, funding has made a strong return, especially in 2024. Loan volumes are expected to jump 26% this year, reaching $539 billion, according to Mortgage Bankers Association. This influx of capital is helping to stabilize the market and, in many cases, putting a floor under the property price. Debt funds, in particular, are stepping in big time, filling the gaps left by traditional lenders like regional banks, many which have scaled back their activities following the failures of several banks in 2023. As Diana Broomer, co-chair of Goldman's Real Estate Group, put it, there are many more opportunities than there used to be for financing outside of the traditional banking system.